Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ventoy on Windows in a very simple way. How you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Ventoy. Download. Click on that. After you're going to get it from the ventoy.net website, click on this. And from here, you can simply click on this windows.zip, click on it. After you are going to come over into SourceForge, and from here you can simply download it. And now you can simply click on the download option, and as you can see, the download has been started. Now you can simply click on this folder icon. Here is your zip file, so if you click on it to open, you can simply close it and then click on open Ventoy. Here is a Ventoy. Open it, open the folder, and now you can simply see the Ventoy 2-disk exe. If you open it, click yes for the permission, and here is the Ventoy is rightly opened. So yeah, this is how we can simply download, install Ventoy in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.